Crash Course on Ireland. An overview. Welcome to the enchanting land of Ireland, where ancient history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture come together to create an unforgettable experience. Let me share some interesting stories to excite your curiosity before we dive into the top 12 attractions of this beautiful country. Interesting stories and examples. 1. The legend of the Giant's Causeway. According to Irish folklore, the Giant's Causeway was created by the giant Finn MacCool, who built a pathway across the sea to Scotland to challenge another giant. The fascinating hexagonal basalt columns are said to be remnants of the causeway. 2. Blarney Stone and the Gift of Eloquence. Legend has it that kissing the Blarney Stone at Blarney Castle grants you the gift of eloquence. It is said that if you kiss the stone, you'll never be at a loss for words. 3. The Book of Kells. This ancient illuminated manuscript, housed at Trinity College Dublin, is a masterpiece of early Christian art. It is believed to have been created around 800 AD and is a treasure of Irish heritage. Top 12 attractions in Ireland. 1. Dublin. Ireland's vibrant capital city, known for its rich history, iconic landmarks, and lively pubs. 2. Cliffs of Moher. Majestic sea cliffs rising dramatically from the Atlantic Ocean, offering breathtaking views. 3. Giant's Causeway. A UNESCO World Heritage Site with stunning hexagonal basalt columns. 4. Ring of Kerry. A scenic drive that takes you through picturesque coastal villages and rugged landscapes. 5. Killarney National Park. A stunning national park with lakes, mountains, and picturesque trails. 6. Blarney Castle. Home to the famous Blarney Stone, a must-visit for those seeking the gift of eloquence. 7. Galway. A charming city known for its artsy vibe, lively atmosphere, and traditional Irish music. 8. Newgrange. A prehistoric burial mound older than Stonehenge, shrouded in mystery and history. 9. Belfast. A city steeped in history and culture, with the titanic Belfast Museum being a prominent attraction. 10. Dingle Peninsula. A rugged and scenic region with breathtaking coastal views and charming villages. 11. Kilkenny Castle. A well-preserved medieval castle with beautiful gardens, located in the heart of Kilkenny City. 12. The Rock of Cashel. An ancient fortress and ecclesiastical site with a history dating back to the 4th century. Summarizing this writing, Ireland is a land of legends, where stories of giants and eloquence capture the imagination. From the stunning cliffs of Moher to the lively streets of Dublin, this country offers a wealth of attractions and experiences to cherish forever. Now, let's celebrate the allure of Ireland with a poem. In Ireland's embrace, a tale unfolds. Of legends and landscapes, stories untold. Giant's Causeway, a wonder to see. Hexagonal stones, a mystery. Dublin's heart beats with vibrant cheer. A city alive, drawing you near. Blarney Castle and its famed stone. Granting eloquence, a gift to own. From Killarney's park, a scenic grace. To Galway's music, filling the space. Newgrange's past, a sacred site. Mysteries veiled in ancient light. In Belfast's halls, history resides. A city's spirit, strength abides. Dingle's charm, a coastal dance. Kilkenny's castle, a noble stance. The Rock of Cashel, a fortress grand. Where history's echoes, through time expand. Ireland's treasures, a tapestry. An enchanting journey, forever free. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.